How much money can you make selling online courses? In this video, I'm going to share with you my numbers, how much money I've been making selling online courses, but also what can you expect selling online courses. So the first thing that I want to share with you is you can make zero. Like a lot of people are not making any money selling online courses because they are doing it wrong. Most people will start to create a course or start to create some content, but then they will give up before they start to make money, because the thing with online course, it can take a bit of time before you start getting some traction. It can take a few months before you start to make your first sales, because in the beginning you're going to create content, but nobody is going to know you, and it's not like you can get super famous overnight, although you can sometime with TikTok, but it's not something that you should expect for. To give you a rough idea, when I first started selling online courses in 2016, I made my first $1,000 after 6 months of posting every day on YouTube. The thing is what I was expecting, right? When I started that, my expectation was to be able to make $2,000 after 1 year. So I was pretty much within my range of expectation, but the problem with today's world is that a lot of people expect to make a lot of money fast, and that's not quite true. In any business that you're going to start, it will take some time before you can see the results, because I mean, that's the nature of business, right? You need to try stuff, you need to figure out stuff, adjust along the way to make sure that you're able to be successful. So why most people make zero money with their online courses is because they quit too early, or they change their mind. They start creating a course about weight loss, and then they start to create a course about personal development, and then they start to create a course about well-being, and then they keep changing their mind and switching before they get the result, because it's basically like that. It's like slow and steady growth, and then it gets exponential. But if you every few weeks you change your mind, you start again from here, and so you never get to enjoy the exponential reward that comes afterward once you start doing it for 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, and stuff like that. So most people make zero because of this reason. Now, what sorts of expectation can you have if you want to sell online courses? Well, it's basically a math game. You can do the math. If you want to sell an online course that's $500, if you sell 100 of it, that's 50 grand per year. If you sell 200, that's 6 figures per year. If you sell 400, that's 20,000 per month approximately. So that's the kind of range that you can hope for if you are starting out. Now, there's no limit as how much you can sell of online course, right? I can share with you my numbers. Since 2016, I've been making around 6 figures in online course sales. My course range from $100 up to $1,000, with my best selling course around $400. And so it can give you an idea of what sort of number you can make. This was primarily done through my YouTube channel that I grew over the year in the French market in music production, that grew up to 60,000 subscribers. But then it really depends. You can do 6 figures per year. Let's say, because I'm in the music production niche, the course that I'm selling in the music production niche, so it's hard to charge like $2,000 for an online course. Whereas if you're in the business niche, in the investment, the real estate niche, you can charge $1,000 or $2,000 for your course. And so you just need to sell 100 of them to make 6 figures, for example. So I would say that it's pretty realistic to make 6 figures selling online courses if you stick to it. If you have a good course that really helps people, and you start to get some testimonial, you post content consistently, you can hope to make 6 figures by selling online courses. It will take some time. You might not make it within your first year. Most likely you will not make it within your first year, but by the second year you should be able to do that if you do it consistently. And by the third year you can scale to maybe $500,000 or something like that. It really depends on the niche that you're in, and the skills that you have, and the things that you learn. Now, I know a few people that are doing 7 figures selling online course without using any advertising, so that's something that can be done as well. But you need to have a big following. The people that I know that are doing this kind of numbers have more than 250,000 subscribers on YouTube. So if you have a big following, you can make more, and that's pretty much the same. There are 2 ways to increase your revenue by selling online course. It's either find new people to buy your course, being creating more content, getting a bigger audience, more people following you, discovering your course, or if you don't want to do that, or if you're not able to grow your audience for some reason, you can create more courses. You can sell more product to your existing fan base instead of trying to grow your actual fan base. And this way you will increase the frequency of purchase, and this will increase your numbers, the sales that you're making, right? And also it's easier to sell more to an existing customer than trying to find new customers. It's actually like 10 times easier. I've read some study about that a while ago, because those people that already bought from you, they already know you, they already trust you, and so it's easier to make a sales. Now there's this thing, you might know, like ClickFunnels, which is a software that helps you, create sales funnel and sell and host online courses. They have this thing that's called the 2 Club Award, which is a trophy that they give to people that make more than $10,000 with one single funnel. The reason I'm mentioning that is because most of these people are selling online courses, and so it can give you an idea of the sort of number that you can make with selling online courses. You can make $10 million by selling online courses. It will not come within a year or two, and most probably you will have to use some advertising, but it's something that can be done. The lesson that I want you to remember from this video is that there's no limit to how much you can make with online courses. There are people who sell tens of millions of online courses over the years, right? But it's really up to you and how well you're going to execute on that. To make a lot of money with online courses, there are 2 things that really matter. You need to be in the right niche. Your niche, I mean your like subject that you're talking about in your online courses, need to be in quite a big market. Most likely it will be make money investing, stuff like that, or weight loss, muscle fitness, or wellness and well-being. So the big niches is like make money and weight loss and well-being, like personal development. So if you are in those type of niches, you can make quite a lot of money. Don't get me wrong, I mean the music production niche, making 6 figures per year, is great as well, but I will not be and even more on the French market, which is like a tenth of the English market, right? So if you're in the English market, in the make money or weight loss or well-being and stuff like that, you can make tons of money if you do it right and if you follow up. You need to create a lot of content, you need to do that consistently for a few years, but you can really make a significant amount of money, or at least enough money for you to be free and to be fulfilled and be independent, right? Because I guess that's the goal. In my opinion, there's no point of making money for the sake of making money. Money, it's not the goal. Money is like just a tool that you can use to do the things that you like, maybe travel, spend time with your family, or just do the things that you like. So I think I've pretty much answered the question. How much money can you make selling online course? You can make, up to you. You can make 0 if you keep quitting and changing your mind, and you can make millions if you do it right and you're in the right niche with the right offer and you use the right channels to promote your course. You can make millions, but realistically, if you're starting today, I would say that you can make 6 figures within a year or 2 if you do it right and you keep following up. So that's it for this video. If you want to start selling online courses and make money online, I created a free case study showing you exactly how you can do that step by step, and the link is in my bio in the description of this video, and it's totally free, and I will share with you how I was able to go from 0 to making 6 figures per year selling online courses. So I will see you on there. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.